Hey folks, are you worried about your career options and opportunities? Hey, I'm going to explain you about the course like full stack web development. And if you do have a little bit coding experience as well, you can definitely go for this course. Okay, right now this course, it is in the demand in the market, and we are not just going to help you out with the training, we are also helping you out with the opportunities in the market as well. Like we will also be helping you with the profile building, interview preparations and placement assistance as well. If you want to join a full stack web development program, and if you want to learn industrial skills and all, and if you want to get trained from the industry experts, join the Coachx.live program on the link below. Okay, we are having online live interactive lectures. All the lectures will be engaging. You will be having the best of the best experiences. You will be learning from the best of the best faculties which are available in the industry. So if you're interested to learn, click the link below and join the program. Even if you don't have any coding background, we will helping you out with each step-by-step process that will enhance your coding skill as well, and eventually help you in landing the best job in the market as well. So why wait? Join now, click the link below.